Hey guys, are you a software engineer? Imagine losing your job by an AI named Devin. Yes, you heard it right. CEO of Cognition AI, Scott Wu, has recently announced Devin first AI software engineer. You know what? This guy literally follows complete SDLC, that is software development lifecycle, starting from planning to coding to researching to fixing bugs to testing and even the deployment. In this video, let's talk about Devin's capabilities and can he really eat engineer's job. If you are new here, I'm a mentor in the field of AI and machine learning. Started my journey over 12 years as a mentor and helped thousands of corporates learn and implement multiple technologies starting from Java, DevOps, Python, data science, and now AI. For now, let's dive in and understand what is Devin. Hey guys, welcome to AI with AI. This side Asif Imnad. Before I jump in and start talking about what is Devin and its capabilities, let me introduce you to the CEO of Devin, Scott Wu. If you don't know who is Scott Wu, he is a math and coding genius. Scott achieved a perfect score of 100% in International Olympiad in Informatics. That too when he was just 12 years. He actually showcased his exceptional mathematical abilities since he was in his young age. Later on, he got introduced to the coding and that's how he became a genius in coding as well. And eventually, he founded Cognition Labs. If you don't trust me, let me show you a short video on who is Scott Wu.
What is the value of 255? Scott.
5,000.
5,000 is the correct answer. If the pattern shown continues, what is the letter in the 2010th position? Scott.
A.
A is the correct answer.
But the letter at 2010th position, can you imagine? This is freaking crazy. How can he predict it within a short period of time? I don't know. This little kid is Scott Wu. Okay, so who's Devin? Devin is the first AI software engineer automating project development. Devin can debug, fix errors, search for information, and update the code autonomously. Rather than me explaining, let me show you what Scott Wu has to say.
Hey, I'm Scott from Cognition AI, and today I'm really excited to introduce you to Devin, the first AI software engineer. Let me show you an example of Devin in action.
This is how the Devin's UI looks like. They are providing the prompt to Devin. You can see once the prompt is provided, this is the plan how to tackle with the problem. You can see here the way software engineers would use the workspace. He would use the command prompt, the command line. He would use the IDE, the code editor, which is Python based here. And you can also see the browser which will be needed to pull up the documentation, to do the research, so on and so forth, right? So this Devin has a complete set of 4 different windows where we have a workspace, where we have a command line, where we have the code editor and also the browser. So this guy can also do the debugging. The way we do the research, find out the errors and fix the code, same way Devin is also doing here. And you can see once Devin fixes the problem, you can see the output in the browser here, something like this. Okay, before we proceed and discuss in detail, if you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so that you won't miss our latest videos on AI. We see you are watching our videos, but 90% are not yet subscribed. We put a lot of efforts creating these videos for you free. Keep us motivated by liking and subscribing, so YouTube algorithm will also help us reach more audience. So, did you subscribe and like? Thank you. Devin AI has outperformed other coding agents and continues to improve. People initially doubted Devin's capabilities, but it has proven it to be impressive. You know what? Devin AI is built by a team of just 10 people. Yes, definitely extraordinary, genius people, and it outperforms other platforms in terms of computing power. So when I visited Cognition Labs website, so these are the videos which demonstrate what Devin can all do. So if you can see, Devin can learn how to use unfamiliar technologies. So Devin can learn the coding itself. Amazing, right? Devin can build and deploy apps end to end. I'm not sure if this is very much true. Unless and until we don't get the hands-on, it is difficult to believe, right? But if you go through this website, I'll put the link of this website in the comment below, or you can just type Cognition Labs or Devin. You'll able to find the website on your own and just go through these videos so that you can easily understand what all it can do. Devin can autonomously find and fix bugs in the code base. Yes, this can be trusted, right? For a specific problem statement, specific programming language, I can say that yes, this can be possible. But I'm not sure. When I look at these statements, these looks very generic, making AI generalize. This is the biggest problem that we are running with. If you have a specific issue for a specific programming language to develop, then definitely AI can do that. But currently, I really doubt that if Devin can do the same thing as the human software engineer can really do. What else Devin can do? Devin can train and fine-tune its own AI models. So Devin can learn from its own mistake, train itself, fine-tune its own AI model. Isn't it amazing? It's just like humans, right? We generalize and learn from the mistakes and become better and better day by day. Devin can address bugs and features requested in open source repositories. That sounds fascinating. Devin can contribute to mature production repositories. It can contribute to the repositories. Okay, so that means it can work with the CI/CD pipeline and Git repositories. This is what I believe here. They even tried Devin giving real jobs on Upwork and it could do those too. So just think of this. This is the real problem here. So on Upwork, employers hire software engineers or some skilled people just to do their work. And what they did, they given real jobs to the Devin and Devin could also do that. And we also have a video showing this to us. But you know, AI is all about the data that you provide. And there are definitely chances that this AI is trained on a specific problem statement again and again. And when it has come up with the proper solutions, then they have recorded this video. So for the problem statements which are given in the past, for that, it will definitely work. But I don't know, in real life, when we really have a day-to-day life jargons, when we get everyday new tasks, making the changes in the previous code, understanding the requirement, working with the stories, working with the managers, and then coming with the solution. So software engineer's job is not that easy. Can that be achieved with the Devin? I really doubt that. Maybe not immediately, for sure. And why I'm saying so, they have compared Devin's performance. So if you look at the Devin's performance by this graph, it has only about 14% accuracy. And we are way far from this. And again, I think this is the accuracy for the problem statements which are known. But looking at the other competitive AI models, Devin is far better from these. If you look at the GPT-4, it is just standing at 1.74% accuracy. The AI model which is standing at 2, which is Cloudy 2, it is standing at 4.80. So Devin is definitely better than all other competitive AI models when it comes to writing codes. So the question here which we started with, will AI eat software engineer's job? And I think immediately it is not true. Devin can definitely work as an assistant for the software engineer where it can do a specific task. When it comes to debugging tedious documentations and dynamic changes, release processes, the scripts and agile and SRE other methodologies, I don't think so it can perform the same way as the humans do. But yes, that's just the beginning. So whenever Devin is available for the public, we will be the first one to try the hands-on, and we'll definitely provide him the unknown new real life problem statements, and let's see how Devin will able to solve those problems. Alright, but that's for the future. Currently Devin is not available. If you want to try your hands-on, you can definitely hire Devin. Devin is currently in the early access. So if you are someone who is really eager and you want to try Devin, then reach out to Cognition Labs. This is the website where you can drop an email. And that's how we come to an end of this video. If you have any questions regarding the same, let us know in the comment below. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and the colleagues. Thanks for watching. See you again next time. Till then, take care and bye-bye.